What are microwaves?
Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic wave, similar to radio waves and visible light. In a microwave oven, these waves bounce around and cause water molecules in food to vibrate rapidly. This vibration produces heat, which cooks the food. Microwave ovens are designed to keep these waves contained inside, making them efficient for quick and convenient heating.
How do microwave ovens cook food?
A magnetron inside the oven generates microwaves, which penetrate food to a depth of about 1 inch. Water, fat, and sugar molecules absorb the energy, creating heat from the inside out. The rest of the food continues to cook as heat spreads. Microwave cooking is especially fast because it targets water molecules directly.
Are microwaves harmful to food or health?
Microwave ovens do not make food radioactive or toxic. The microwaves themselves disappear once the oven stops, and cooked food is safe to eat. Worldwide food safety authorities confirm that microwaved food is as safe as that cooked by other methods, as long as basic instructions are followed and food is heated evenly.
Safety features and precautions.
Microwave ovens have strong metal doors and seals to prevent microwaves from escaping. Built-in safety switches make sure the oven cannot operate when the door is open. It's important to use only microwave-safe containers, avoid metal, and ensure food heats evenly to prevent burns or cold spots. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for safe use.
What about nutrients and taste?
Cooking in a microwave generally preserves nutrients as well as or better than other methods, because the cooking time is shorter and less water is used. However, some foods might heat unevenly or dry out if not covered or stirred. For best results, use a lid or wrap and stir or rotate food partway through heating for even cooking.
Key takeaways: microwave cooking safety.
Microwave ovens are safe, reliable, and do not make your food unhealthy. Proper use and recommended safety tips help you avoid burns or accidents. Nutrient loss is minimal if using correct techniques. In summary, microwaves provide a fast and convenient way to cook food without adding risks to your health when used responsibly.